Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. We just had a department chair meeting and I don't feel like typing up the notes. So I'm going to give you a brief rundown of what we talked about. And for those of you that like to have stuff written up, I will get you the minutes on Monday. So the main things we're talking about course selection and how that's going to work, because obviously we can't do the regular course selection night and with the regular stuff. And then the other topic was vaccines, vaccine thing being held at East High School, and then also some of the equity data. So the first thing about the course selection is that they're going to follow kind of the open house situation with a video. I'll tell you a little bit more about it, but you'll have the opportunity in your elective area. You can make a video description per class, or if you wanted to, combine a couple things and do that, you're more than welcome to do that however you see fit. And they're going to have a document where you can paste your video right in there, the link. We'll need those videos by January 19th, so I'll make sure that I get that out to you on Monday. One of the other things, if you are a teacher that you normally have conversations with the students about what level they should go into or what course you're going to recommend to them, you're more than welcome to still do that. They encourage that if that's your normal way that you do it, you're more than welcome to do that. The vaccine information is that the school district is in talks with CHOP right now to offer 2 different vaccine clinics on property of East High School on Saturdays. I believe one Saturday in February, one Saturday in March. It's very, very preliminary, but they think that that's going to be a vaccine rollout that they would be able to do. And they're also in talks right now of trying to set something up for staff members that choose to get the vaccine, that they would be able to do it in a setting like that. A lot of details with it are not set in stone yet. And then the last thing that I'll share with you on Monday, possibly over the weekend if I get to it, is they did share more equity data for us, and they were talking about coming up with course selection time, that it's a really big deal for us to consider those different situations. I guess we're doing better with that, but as always, there's more work to be done. So that's your little Friday update, and then you can see what you want to do with the details on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.